Okay, this is from a video I did a couple of months ago, and it was using this chemical applicator that you see here, and you can see all the different types of windows I've done. Apply the chemical, then turn that off, and then turn the water on to rinse it, as you can see in these pictures. The full video will be at the end of this video, and you can have a proper look at it. But the only thing I didn't show you was how I turned the water off on, the chemicals on off. So I will show you that now. So this is the water valve switch we use, turn water on and off, and this is the pump sprayer we use to inject the chemicals. So here we have it. As you can see, I've got a scrubbing pad, different sort of scrubbing pad too. I'll just show you how this swivel movement goes around. And here's the pad. You can see it's spongy and the water goes through there. I'll just show you how it goes on. So the water goes through. And okay, so as I said, it moves around like that. Here, if you want water, turn the water switch off, the ball valve, and the chemical sprays just underneath here, and you spray it with the pump sprayer. So it's a matter of just spraying your chemicals on and then rinse with the water, and as you can see, you can actually regulate how much water you want to use also. So that's how it actually works on the pole. So I suppose, well, that's about it.